The following is an ABC Primetime investigative report that aired in 2005.
You want to get an edge on turning back the clock with just a few pills? Who doesn't? Well, it's no longer science fiction, but science possibility, a potential breakthrough. As I found out firsthand, there may be a way to erase years, at least inside my body. Granted, it's down the road, but some scientists are wondering if a new pill I took might offer a very long life.
It may not look like the fountain of youth, but inside this nondescript building, I'm about to become part of an exciting experiment, a kind of guinea pig.
Dr. McCord, okay.
I'm here at the University of Colorado in Denver to meet Dr. Joe McCord, a world-renowned scientist.
This is pretty exciting stuff you're finding, huh?
It is. We're very excited about it.
His latest research could very well unravel the mystery of aging itself. And his decades of experiments may have the potential of adding years to people's lives and possibly prevent chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. It all centers around this small yellow pill, and for me, it begins with a blood test.
Can we scoop? Yeah, there we go.
It wouldn't be the first time I've given blood for this company.
They want to check my levels of something called T-bars, which is a rough indicator of a person's actual age. T-bars can identify a condition known as oxidative stress, a kind of measure of the wear and tear on our bodies. Oxidative stress, like the rusting of an engine, is not a good thing.
Bad for the body.
Leading to disease.
Leading to disease and leading to malfunction, and importantly, leading to what we call aging. It is a slow progression of increasing oxidative stress. That's the main characteristic biochemically of the aging process.
The problem of aging begins with the very food we eat to give us energy. As our cells burn that food, they also release toxic chemicals. Those chemicals, you may know them as free radicals, react with all the components of our cells, literally bombarding them millions of times per second, damaging all our cells. The result? Oxidative stress, and we all have it. The body fights back with a system of defenses. It makes two antioxidant enzymes, catalase and SOD, whose job is to gobble up the free radicals before they can harm our cells. But as we get older, some of those toxic radicals overwhelm our enzymes and wreak their havoc. For a long time, scientists thought that antioxidant vitamins like C and E would lower it, but they don't.
As it's turned out in just the last 5 years or so, we see that they're not good enough tools. They're not powerful enough.
But this pill, he says, is powerful enough. In fact, many times more powerful.
So, doctor, how often do I take these?
And so, here I go. With that swallow, I've just become part of a potentially landmark scientific experiment.
Doesn't taste bad.
It's called Protandim, and tests on both mice and humans have already shown that it revs up the manufacture of those good enzymes in our bodies. More enzymes, fewer free radicals to harm us. Whether that will lead to longer life is still unknown. Experiments to see if mice live longer are about to get underway, but it's a tantalizing theory.
Right now, all we know is that this preparation decreases oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is not a disease, just like aging is not in itself a disease, but it's something that accompanies and is attached to many disease processes.
Have you discovered the fountain of youth?
I wouldn't put it that way, but we may have discovered something that will tell us a lot more about how we age, what happens biochemically, and maybe how we can slow it down. So you can see the age-related.
Normally, oxidative stress, measured by those T-bars, increases with age. But in Dr. McCord's tests, taking just one pill of Protandim a day reversed that trend for everyone at every age, even for an 80-year-old.
They all are reduced to the level of oxidative stress that one would expect, frankly, in a newborn or a very young child.
Back to the oxidative stress levels of a child? It sounds too good to be true. Will Protandim work on me?
But what about my progress? After nearly 2 weeks now, it's time to get my results. Dr. McCord calculates the numbers. The result? My level of oxidative stress has declined dramatically.
45%, that's excellent.
Just look at where I fall on the graph, before and after.
Which, if extrapolated back, is the level you would see in a newborn baby.
Have we turned back the clock? Well, maybe not on the outside, but deep inside within my cells. Yes, indeed.
Would you suggest I keep taking this supplement?
I would.
And so, ancient Eastern healing and modern Western medicine may soon be working together. High oxidative stress is associated with more than aging. It's been linked to hundreds of illnesses.
It's at the very center of many diseases: liver disease, diabetes, emphysema, asthma. I've studied all of these: strokes, heart attacks.
Even mental disease?
Yes.
Depression?
Alzheimer's disease, depression. But we do know that oxidative stress is part of those disease processes. I don't want to wait until I'm 80 years old and find out that I should have taken it.
The company that makes Protandim says its tests show the pill, made from ingredients used for centuries, is absolutely safe. But because it's being sold as a nutritional supplement and not a drug, Protandim does not need FDA approval for safety.
Protandim NRF2 is protected by 7 U.S. patents. Major universities and government agencies initiated and continue self-funded studies following the ABC Primetime investigative report you just viewed that originally aired back in 2005. These studies continue to reveal more scientific evidence about Protandim NRF2's unique benefits and to evaluate how this anti-aging breakthrough can prevent and improve many of the problems associated with aging. The next video will bring you up to date on what happened next.
From the physical to the mental, your body isn't just complex, it's all connected. And we believe a great day starts with addressing all of it. The big picture, building a healthy foundation that keeps you thinking, moving, and feeling your best from the ground up. At LifeVantage, we're on a mission to help people all over the world take more control over their health and make every day a little more awesome. It's a new approach powered by nutragenomics, and it's changing everything. Meet the Vitality Stack, the next evolution in biohacking. By combining 4 powerful products into one amazing solution, we've made it easier than ever to get the health you need in the form factor that fits your day. It's a powerful nutragenomic starter kit designed to help you reach any health goal. Getting started with biohacking can seem daunting, so we created the Vitality Stack. The body is complex, but also connected. Vitality Stack creates a positive chain reaction from head to toe, and that starts with your gut. Only recently have researchers come to understand the powerful connection between the microbiome in your gut and your brain. In fact, the connection is so powerful that any biohacker should begin by improving their gut health. So we started with Physique Pro Bio because it's specifically formulated to keep your microbiome in shape while helping your body absorb the precious nutrients it needs throughout the day. Next, we want to make sure our cells, particularly those in our brain, have the mitochondrial power they need to perform. So we included Protandim NRF1 Synergizer to kickstart your body's natural mitochondrial production, keeping you sharp and awesome throughout the day. However, mitochondria are particularly susceptible to the constant onslaught of oxidative stress during the day. Well, that's where Protandim NRF2 Synergizer steps in. It's clinically shown to kick your body's natural antioxidant production into high gear, helping you protect your cells from future attacks. And once your newly mitochondria-powered cells are working properly, Omega Plus helps them communicate efficiently with the right combination of vitamin D, omega-3, and omega-7 fatty acids. By harnessing and connecting the body's complex systems, Vitality Stack lays the foundation for improved overall health and a better day. Whether you need more focus for work, more energy to run those errands, or maybe just a better sense of balance and well-being during the day, we designed the Vitality Stack to lay the foundation for a healthier day. No matter what you're doing or where your day takes you, the Vitality Stack is built to fit. And now you can use it at home in bundle form or take it on the go with Vitality Stack Packets. Perfect for the road, plane, purse, or pocket. It's more than a bundle of products. It's your Biohacker Starter Kit, your Nutragenomic Starter Kit, your daily starter kit. From the moment you wake up until you go to bed and everywhere in between. It's time you see what you are truly capable of.
We invite you to get back to the person who shared this video, learn more about our other cutting-edge nutragenomic products, and see how LifeVantage can begin changing your life for the better today.